The personal development workshops that we offer at the Alive Experience will provide you with valuable information on important components of your life. Regardless of your personal or professional background, these are essential lessons that will help you shift your perspective and see new opportunities. The workshops are presented in a casual conversational style that are interactive and engaging. We work with a brilliant team of highly trained facilitators. Some are published authors, high-level coaches, keynote speakers at events like TEDx and Summit, as well as senior-level instructors at world-class educational facilities. The quality of information presented to you is a unique offering that is shared in an intimate and personal setting. The workshops are 60 to 90 minutes in length with another 30 minutes for Q&A with the coach to dive deeper into the lesson. The learning doesn't just happen in the workshops. Some of the most valuable lessons you will learn may not be from the coaches. The group conversations amongst the participants will provide great perspective that can create a profound shift for you. The learning continues after the event is complete, as the workshops are just the starting point of your transformative journey. After the trip is over, the 6-week group coaching program begins. The intention of this program is to keep the group together with weekly video calls with our coaches so you can support one another as you integrate the learning into your everyday lives. The Alive Life Handbook will also help you set up a structure to continue your new path. If our guests wish to continue working with our coaches on a one-to-one basis, there are private coaching programs available to all Alive guests. We are fully committed to your growth and transformation and look forward to sharing our valuable lessons with you.